baking, and today we are making.
Technically, this is making a salad. Okay. We just felt like it. Okay. This is our lunch, so we're going to be making Greek salad. So here is our ingredients. So to start off, you need cucumbers. So we've already got this one that's partially peeled, partially used already. So we're going to peel this one.
So now we have our cucumber that is peeled. Now we need to cut it in small slices.
Then you cut them into cubes. So now you need tomatoes. So we have about 4 of them.
1, 2, 3, 4. And you will be needing
A cutting board.
yeah.
And a knife, obviously. We already put our cucumber in our bowl. This amount that we are making can serve up to 4 people, because we're 4 people who live here, and it serves us perfectly fine. So you just cut your tomatoes into halves, or however you enjoy cutting them, and then into little cubes.
So just like that. If you were wondering how many cucumbers we used one very long one. So now we are just putting on our tomatoes into our bowl with the cucumbers. Next up, we are going to be cutting these green onions.
These you don't need if you don't want, but our family is a pretty big fan for them, so we're putting them in.
So this is a slight twist to our Greek salad. You don't have to do this, but we are adding chickpeas to it. We are using pesto black olives, but you can just use regular olives or none at all.
So now you need a spoonful of olive oil,
A spoonful of red wine vinegar, but you can also do a little bit less if you want. Just give it a bit more flavor. A little bit of pepper, and a little bit of salt. Okay, so the last thing you are going to need is basil. This is rubbed dry basil. You can use fresh one or none at all. And you just put in a little bit of sprinkles. You can add feta cheese if you'd like, but since someone in our family is lactose intolerant, we put it to the side.
Yep. Stir!